Even though we now have many ways to communicate digitally, the open house is still an essential event for Tebis because it represents the Tebis philosophy of networking closely with customers to ensure mutual success.
I think that one of the key points is simply that we've had very close partnerships with our customers over many decades. And these partnerships aren't just about service and support. We also offer them our consulting topics. We have a large implementation team that can set up this system to be truly helpful in practice, in the plant, and in all the different technical aspects. And I believe this combination of software products and service products is something very unique at Tebis.
What are some of the reasons people frequently give for visiting the Tebis open house?
Well, I think what's very important for us is the vision of Tebis, that we know what the future holds. But at this point, I think we're also initiators to some extent, pushing BMW die manufacturing and ultimately Tebis in new directions.
Yeah, trying to gather information, trying to discuss with developers to influence the product in the way we'd like to see it go forwards, and to find out about the ProLice software. And how that could be of use to us.
First of all, the innovative ideas where we find different initiatives for the future. We always find some very good suggestions and solutions. You can dig deeper into your own processes. I'm just going to take a closer look here at the active surface process.
But it's not just about the future, new ideas, and exchanging information. The curious, as well as new users, also find their way to Planegg, near Munich.
I still need some more training, but I can already get by pretty well just with what I've learned from my colleague. I'm actually more interested in the complete process, from design, data processing, and data optimization to the finished NC program, so really from A to Z.
The most important reason for a visit is to maintain contact with Tebis personnel and with other colleagues from the industry.
Meeting with other people who do the same things. We meet customers and also employees from other companies who work for us, and it's pretty interesting. It's interesting for us to see how other die manufacturers work and also to see the exchange of information. It's very interesting to see the entire spectrum of Tebis products, and of course, it's also a very nice location.
So what makes working with Tebis attractive? The customers always have their own special reasons.
Well, the many different modules that are now available, so we get a more consistent process. And of course, the calculation times. And yes, the product is very close to reality. Error-free programming. Upload one-to-one to the machine. Press start and you're out the door. The machine runs unattended overnight and on weekends. Our longest runtime so far is 70 hours without a check. As far as I know, no one else can do that. The software works perfectly with no major problems, and you've got contacts in all areas. That's outstanding for me.
Yeah, they have the solution for everything in only one product. They have package, and they can mix the package, and they have not a lot of knowledge about how to do this, and they are learn with the customers.
I'm really happy with Tebis because it's very practical and extremely user-friendly. The way I put it is intuitive operation. We've already known our contacts at Tebis for many years. We like to work with them, and everything just runs so smoothly. Working with Tebis is enjoyable. First of all, Tebis certainly has a lot of experience in the automotive industry and also in die and mold manufacturing, as we just heard yesterday in the BMW presentation. Of course, this is impressive, and Tebis makes a very good impression here. We're also taking the next step forward with Tebis in turning and milling in July. And you can see that we're relying heavily on our partners in the CAD/CAM program. I find that with Tebis, we never run out of ideas.
But it's also about everyday work with version 4.0.
I've already tried out the new 4.0 over there, made a few suggestions and mentioned a few minor issues. These suggestions will hopefully be of good use to the Tebis development team. It's extremely practical. You can get to a usable result very quickly, and you can also very quickly implement it in reality. We have many viewer workstations in manufacturing, and we see many benefits in our work that involves little or no drawing.
And what are the benefits of ProLice, a system for manufacturing, planning, and control in the Tebis world?
The main benefit is that you can finally make your manufacturing transparent. You can access all the information in your manufacturing. You can control it, and you can understand what you're doing. Well, we were working with a different CAM system before, where the automation processes just didn't work. Tebis has allowed us to take a significant step forward, and with ProLice, it's been a quantum leap for our company.
The open house gave us a view of future developments in the field of CAD/CAM in the presentations and exhibits, showing how working with Tebis will continue to be exciting and innovative.
It was made clear today that we mean what we say when we want to optimize comprehensive processes for the customer. And this was made very clear in the individual presentations as well, but also with ongoing processes at customer sites. Customers have shown what's possible with Tebis, and in this case, with ProLice as well. Maximum automation. This is the Industry 4.0 solution everyone's talking about, and you can already see that it's working for our customers.